Like 100 pounds.
100.
It's better now.
So much better now.
It's just fucked up in different ways. Oh my god! Yellow lights. I take Broadway sometimes to Renfrew. Again? Ah! Jesus. You're just one too?
Yeah.
Why? Don't like.
I hate when it gets timed like
It's my guaranteed day off. Another yellow light.
yeah, that's right. Take back.
Another yellow light.
Whoa!
Poor bus drivers. Oh my god!
Fucking this way. Poor girl.
And there's probably no reason for it. Oh yeah, there's a person there, but why do I have this yellow light thing going on? I don't like.